Today on Designing Spaces. Looking to revamp your household budget but don't know where to start? You may be overpaying on your car loan, and we've got a simple way to figure it out. And we'll show you how to keep that car looking and running its best with free advice from the pros. Renovating your home can be a great investment. We'll get you started with the kitchen and bath, plus an innovative mortgage solution that can get you one step closer to the home of your dreams. Let's get designing.
It's Laura here. So as a single working mom, I pretty much live in my car, from taking my son to and from school, running errands, going to activities, and of course all the clients I have to see. So my car is an essential part of my life. My car is one of my top monthly expenses between gas, registration, insurance, and my car loan payment. Because I am a wellness and a life coach, it's very important to me that I make sound, mindful financial decisions. So my money-savvy friend told me that I might be overpaying for my car loan, which is not cool because I thought I had a really good rate and loan term, but she recommended that I go to Upstart and see if that's the case, that I might be able to refinance my car loan and save money. Maybe some lessons would be good for that. Please. Well, thank you for coming over to help me with this.
You're welcome. Now let's get started. Let's go to upstart.com to find a better rate by refinancing your car loan.
Okay, but I do not like running my credit.
Don't worry. Checking your rate is quick, easy, secure, and has no impact on your credit score.
Well, what do they look for then?
They take factors such as education and job history into account to give people terms that are best for their individual needs.
So then what comes after I check my rate?
Upstart does all the heavy lifting to refinance your car loan so you can really sit back and relax during the whole process. The secure online form only takes a few minutes to complete.
All right, well, let's go ahead and fill it out then.
Let's go.
Upstart has helped more than 1.8 million borrowers across the U.S. Borrowers save an average of $4,800 over the lifetime of their loans when they refinance their car through Upstart. Well, I got approved, and it turns out I was overpaying for my car loan, and Upstart was able to save me $83 a month on average. Is that amazing? That's a lot of money every month. I'm so grateful for you to come over. Thank you so much for helping me today.
My pleasure. Now I have to run.
All right, well, I think I'm gonna run and get some ice cream. So, Brandon, let's go get some ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're right here.
Yeah.
What flavor should we get?
Chocolate.
Of course. All right, well, we saved money.
Cool.
Go to upstart.com to check the rate on your auto loan to see if you are overpaying. For more information, visit designingspaces.tv.
Ah, spring. Perfect driving weather. While the sunshine might have you ready to get on the road, your vehicle may need a little love after coming out of a harsh winter. Fortunately, AutoZone has what you need to pull your car back into top shape so you can make the most of the season.
There are 5 main things to check for when you're doing spring car care. First, battery. Cold temperatures can cause battery issues. Next, wipers. Windshield wipers might need replacement after battling winter weather. Replacing your windshield wipers is one of the easiest things you can do on a vehicle. Most just click into place. It's important to get your car cleaned and detailed because your car's paint can be vulnerable after dealing with dirt, rain, ice, and snow. You can clean your car and protect the paint yourself with great wash and wax products from AutoZone. Check out our car wash bucket deals and do the complete job for less. Since your filters need regular replacement, spring is a great time to have fresh, clean filters. Filter replacement is simple enough to do yourself and so important for you and your engine. Just remember, the air filter helps your engine breathe and the cabin air filter helps you breathe. And finally, Fix Finder. Sometimes a check engine light or some other indicator can come on that's going to require some attention. If you're dealing with a warning light, the free AutoZone Fix Finder service can give you a printed and digital reading of the codes, an analysis of the problem, and recommended solutions. If the problem feels too complex to solve yourself, we'll refer you to a trusted local shop. You can handle many of these repairs yourself, especially with the help from a friendly AutoZoner.
When it comes to the maintenance of my car, I'm in unfamiliar territory. Just the thought of going to the auto parts store used to terrify me. But not too long ago, I had a battery issue, and an AutoZoner was really there to help me.
There are more than 6,000 AutoZone locations in the U.S., and every single one offers free battery testing. It's part of what makes AutoZone America's #1 battery destination.
Battery issues can usually be solved at AutoZone. We can test yours for free and hook you up with a new battery if you need it. We have a range of quality choices from Duralast, America's #1 battery choice, ready to be installed. We are here to help. So when Jamie came in with her battery issue, we started by testing her battery for free. We also tested the starter and alternator for free to make sure we identified the problem correctly. It only took a few minutes. It turned out she was due for a replacement. We set her up with a new, reliable Duralast Gold battery, and then she went on her way. As AutoZoners, we go the extra mile to ensure our customers get the help they need.
Let's find out what brings Jamie back to AutoZone today.
Welcome to AutoZone. What are you working on today?
Hi, do you remember that you told me that if I see a warning light turn on my dashboard, I can come to AutoZone?
I sure do. Let's find out what your car needs.
What is that?
The free AutoZone Fix Finder service gives information about why the lights came on and gives recommendations for next steps.
What types of lights does it check?
Check engine, ABS, and maintenance lights.
How does it work?
Magic.
What does it do?
Fix Finder interprets information from your vehicle's computer and then runs that information through a database by millions of technician-verified fixes. Then, it provides an explanation and recommended solutions. It's the most complete warning light reported backed by technician-verified fixes.
How do I get the report and understand it?
A friendly AutoZoner like me will walk you through the report and make sure it makes sense. Then we print it out and email the report for you to have.
What kind of fixes do people need?
A lot of issues are pretty basic and just require a part replacement you can do yourself. With the free Loan-A-Tool program, AutoZone even has tools you can borrow. But if the situation is more complex, we can recommend a trusted local shop to help you with the repair. We AutoZoners are always ready to help you. That's what we're here for.
To find out more about how AutoZone free services are helping people get back on the road, visit AutoZone.com. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv. Zillow conducted a survey of more than 2,000 homeowners at the end of 2021 and found that almost 3/4 of respondents are considering at least one home improvement project in the next year. Todd Mao knew his home had a lot of potential, but he didn't have enough money to afford the expansion project. My Mutual Mortgage, headquartered in Port Huron, approved him for a renovation loan that enabled him to complete a major addition to his lakefront house.
When I first discovered this property back in 2012, I fell in love. 150 feet of frontage on Lake Huron, but the house itself was small. The house was only about 1,500 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And I knew for friends and family and my son that I wanted to do an addition, to add a great room, add a 3rd bedroom, add a master bath, and a half bath, added about 1,700 square feet to this house. Aaron Hewlett is my loan officer. He was originally my loan officer when I bought the property, and he's been a great asset, great friend, great advocate, and making sure I make the right decisions with the loans.
If you open your mind and heart to a home that needs renovations, you'll have more options than if you limit yourself to turnkey properties.
The most popular renovations typically are kitchens, bathrooms, carpet, paint, appliances, in-law suites, additions, offices, and pools in Florida. Some of the main reasons people will renovate their home is the composition of their family has changed. There could be a new baby or in-laws moving in. They could also need that home to be changed for working from home and doing school from home as well. Some of the health and safety issues you might have is the need to remediate things such as mold or a crack in the foundation or a roof that's gone bad in the property. It could be old electrical or plumbing that no longer works. Anything that's considered deferred maintenance on the property can be rolled into a renovation loan. Renovation lending can add value to your home by changing the composition of your property, meaning increasing its square footage or its bedroom and bathroom count. Also, by increasing the quality and condition of your property, you are compared to homes with a higher value. You can take out a renovation loan when you're purchasing a home or when you're refinancing.
The loan will conveniently be rolled into your monthly mortgage payment, so you don't have to pay it off separately.
My Mutual Mortgage offers conventional renovation loans as well as FHA 203Ks, the limited and the standard. What makes a renovation loan so special and unique in the marketplace is that it lets you access the future value of your property as if the repairs have already been made. It also looks at your home as if it's been completed, where a cash out or second mortgage would only give you the equity that you currently have in your home. Borrowers will still have to follow the standard down payments that you would on any conventional loan or FHA loan. Qualifying for a renovation loan is the same as qualifying for any other loan. We're going to look at your credit, your income, and your assets. Home-style renovation rates are almost identical to regular conventional rates. You'd be surprised that adding the renovation side does not have a large impact on your interest rates. A renovation loan is like any other mortgage loan. It doesn't stay with you after you sell or refinance your property.
My Mutual Mortgage has their borrowers' backs because it's also in their best interest that their clients' renovations are being done by reputable contractors and staying within budget.
My Mutual Mortgage has a pledge, and we call it our secret sauce. It was written by one of our senior loan officers, Aaron Hewlett, and it's there to take the wonder and mystery out of lending. My Mutual Mortgage looks at every contractor and has an approval process prior to close. We look at that contractor's licensing and insurance and also the references. Certain projects do require renovation consultants. Renovation consultants are professionals that go out to the property and inspect the property with the contractor and the homeowner. They ensure that the work is being completed on time and inspect the work before a draw is issued to the contractor. A contingency reserve is additional money held back for cost overruns, such as material cost increases or the unintended consequences of construction. It's typically 15%, and that contingency reserve, if not used, is applied to the principal balance of the loan.
My Mutual Mortgage has loan officers licensed in 38 states who are able to approve and process renovation loans in person or remotely. Go to mymutual.com to see if they offer loans in your state and visit designingspaces.tv to learn more. When homeowners Cole and Morgan decided it was time to select countertops for their kitchen and master bath, they knew exactly where to go. Living in Texas Hill Country just outside Austin, these homeowners were just a short drive to a unique product-rich showroom where they could choose from the finest in natural stone, quartz, and tile. A chance to look and see, feel and touch, to find the perfect material, and most importantly, to get answers for any project-related questions. All available at Architectural Surfaces Austin area showrooms and their 21 locations nationwide.
Hi, welcome to
Hi.
Architectural Surfaces.
I'm Morgan.
Morgan, I'm Jason.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing, man? I'm Cole.
Cole, Jason, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What
bud.
brings you in today?
We're building a new house, and we'd like to pick out some countertops. So take a look at some. We're trying to figure out what we're going to do in different rooms.
These savvy homeowners knew one of the smartest home investments they could make was in their kitchen and master bath.
This is a large facility. We actually have 21 facilities around the country, kind of coast to coast, that all have very deep breadth of inventory of both natural stone, quartz, and tile. I think that's a wonderful choice. Cole and Morgan came to Architectural Surfaces where they were focused on master bathroom and kitchen selections. Next selection that I thought would work well for your master bathroom to help pull out some of those gray tones in the floors and that white
In the
tile that you have.
bathtub, yes.
Ooh, that
Gosh,
would be great in the master.
that is beautiful.
So this is also another marble natural stone. This is actually from Brazil.
Choosing top quality materials and making choices that not only fit individual taste and lifestyle, but ones that fit a budget is paramount to this husband and wife's get it done right the first time attitude.
Babe, this would look great in the powder bath and maybe even the guest small upstairs bath too. I
Yeah.
love this. Yes.
Yeah. No, I really like that one a lot.
Me too.
That's great.
As an independent fabricator and installation expert, Azaz Tour knows the benefits of working with a large company like Architectural Surfaces.
Architectural Surfaces not only has a great facility, but they always have a huge stock of granite, quartz, marble, quartzite, and it's kind of a one-stop shop, where the reason that I recommended Cole and Morgan to go out there is because they have a giant selection of quality stone. Not only do they have quality stone, but they also have a lot of designer colors to where you can get some of the best looking, trending items on the market.
So, how did it all turn out? Well, Cole, Morgan, and Azaz put it this way.
Man, Architectural Services really just nailed it.
I know, it looks so good.
Super impressed with this quartz project, this Lutte Lumen.
I completely agree with you guys. Architectural Services, best-in-class products, best-in-class delivery, which means I get it faster, you get it faster. You guys have a beautiful home here. Product selection was amazing. The Lutte Lumen, I think everything just came out. You couldn't do it any better. You guys want to check out the master?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
All right. Man, this bathroom looks awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, we love how it turned out.
You got some beautiful shadow storm from Architectural Services. There's a fabricator installer. It's one of the things I really like is for clients like you guys, we can always find, designer type stone there. And with it being Brazilian marble, you guys aren't going to have to worry as much as you would with the Italian marble. So it's a little more durable with your makeup products, and I think you guys are going to be happy with the way that it lives in the house.
Oh, I think so. I love the color. I think it really ties this room together with the
tub's
gray
awesome.
tub.
Making customers happy, from fabricators to homeowners like Cole and Morgan. That's what Architectural Services promises. Local soul from coast to coast. The purchasing power of a national company, optimized delivery networks across the country, and a whole lot more. To discover the more for yourself and where to find a showroom in your area, go to arcsurfaces.com. And to view this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.